Hey everybody, guess what? I built a model car, and you know when I build a model car, I show it to you. So today, I have a nice one. Today is the old AMT ERTL? I don't know. The old AMT. Hey, it's the Monkees Mobile. It's a Bearish Custom. There's the Monkey Mobile. All right, hey, this is the 2000 release of this kit. This is really cool. This is an old MPC kit. Let me tell you this right now. It's an MPC kit of the Monkey Mobile from the TV show The Monkees, when the Monkees had a TV show. Personal favorite of mine. Such a cool car. It's a 66 GTO converted from Bearish Customs. I don't think it was George Bearish himself that did the original car. I do know he did a rehab on one of the cars. They had two cars from the show. I do believe the one car was from the, I think it was I Dream of Genie, the 66 GTO. Yeah, this is a cool car. It's a cool car, but let me tell you, this kit is not the best kit in the world. It's not great. It's not overly detailed. In fact, the detail on this thing, the under detailing on this thing is very impressive how under detailed it is. But you know what? When you build it, it looks really cool. It's a simple kit. It goes together in a couple days. So let me show you what I did. Well, let me first off, before I show you what I did here, there are two different versions of this car. You have well, they're both red, but the red, and it has the beige top with a beige interior. That was the original one from the the TV show. And then Barris did a rehab one of the original one where he did a white top with a white and black interior. Well, I did the white and black interior. Womp, 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 womp. All right. So like I said, very, very, very simple kit. Not a lot of parts to the kit. Super simple. Not a great kit. I mean, you do it in a couple days. So let me show you a little something on the kit. So like I said, I did the white top, easily removable, with the white and black interior. I figured it was a little more detailed, a little more fun to look at. So the dashboard, wood grain. I painted the gauges white. Steering wheels wood grain with the silver. I took it right off the pictures that I found of it. Gloss black, gloss white. Super simple. The red is, to me, a bright red. Little side pipes on the side that come off the car. Those are a little bit hard to put on. Got the engine that comes out of the hood. It is my understanding that the one from the TV show, this was all fake up here. The engine was underneath the car that you really don't see. That this was all for show. Really cool front end. It was working on the line right there. There was a little bit of sanding and some putty there to match that up. Didn't quite match up together real well. Just blacked out the grill. Turn signal amber for the lights. The turn signal. The wheels come with the kit. The rear end. Cool gas cap on the back. The lights popped right in. It should have silver lines, accent lines. You can see the accent lines etched on there. I had a hard time painting those, so I just left them. Flip it underneath. This is the old MPC, where it's the metal axle through. It has an engine. I just painted it blue just for show under here, and then exhaust and fuel tank silver. So you don't really see it. Doesn't really matter to me. That's my personal preference. Alright, so the box actually shows the red line tires, which would be accurate for the 60s Pontiac. The pictures I saw of the car actually has the Goodyear Polyglass tires on there. This just has these cool looking Goodyear tires. I figured the car was not great enough for me to want to go through my stash to try to fit some Polyglass tires on. I know I had some extras. I didn't bother with it. The interior sits on top of the car here. I mean, it literally could just pull it right out. I don't want to because it's everything's loose, but it will come in and out. Just pull in and out. Probably should have put a sorry, hit the camera there. Probably should have put a little dab of glue in there, but I didn't want to ruin the paint job. It sits there. It's fine. The top I find very interesting because the top itself does not match the lines of the curvature of the curvature of the car there. That's not even close, as you can see. Hilarious. And then, if I don't keep dropping it, when you put it on the back here, it doesn't really sit inside too well there. See, it doesn't even fit. Like I said, the lack of engineering on this one is pretty bad. Had this cool little keychain thing here, which I just painted. Thought that was kind of cool. The only thing this car was missing, this was an open box kit when I got it, was the monkey decal that goes on the side of the car. I'm keeping my eye open for one showing up on eBay. If I get one, I'll put it on. One of the things I did have a problem with was the cracked window line there. Need a little touch up of silver there. That was cracked. Like I said, it was an open box. When I received it, I knew that buying it. There you can see the interior moving there. And now it doesn't go in. Oh, there it goes a little bit. You see how much plays there? Anyways, so this is a cool kit. It looks good. It's not a great kit, but it looks good. And, yeah. Like I said, this is a couple-day build. I recommend it for your TV movie car collection, or your Pontiac collection, or if you're a Monkees fan, or if you just want something goofy in your collection. So, yeah. This is my review of it. Simple build. That's what I could say about it. Simple build. It looks good when it's done. Alright, everybody. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button. Write me a comment. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe. I do appreciate it. Hearing from everybody. Appreciate everyone subscribing. So, wherever you're at, whatever you're doing, have a good one.